Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Title: Creating a 2-player dice game in Python. Introduction. In this tutorial, we'll walk through the process of creating a simple 2-player dice game using Python. This game will allow 2 players to take turns rolling a 6-sided die and tracking their scores. The player with the highest total score at the end of the game wins. Let's get started. Step 1. Setting up the game. First, let's initialize the game by importing the necessary modules and defining some variables. We'll use the random module to simulate dice rolls. Step 2. Creating the main game loop. Now, let's create the main game loop. The game will consist of several rounds, during which each player takes turns rolling the dice. Step 3. Determining the winner. After the specified number of rounds, the game will determine and announce the winner. Step 4. Run the game. Now that we've completed the code, save it to a Python file, example dice_game.py, and run it. Follow the on-screen instructions, and enjoy the game. Feel free to customize the game by adding more features, such as user-friendly prompts, error handling, or different rules. This basic example serves as a starting point for creating your own Python-based 2-player dice game. ChatGPT.